How to reuse custom view with XIB. Let's create a sample project. Name it as demo custom view. I'm going to create a Swift file and name it as reusable view. Okay, we have created a class. Now I'm going to create a XML file. Name it as reusable view. And size to freeform. Okay, change the class name to reusable view and give the reference for connect view to this view. Okay, now load the XIB file. So here we have loaded the XCV file and given content view as subview for reusable view, and given the frame and auto resizing content for content view. So now thing is, we are going to reuse this reusable view in the main storyboard, and change the color of the image view. I am going to create the image view here. So in the reusable view, I am going to add a image view. So for now I am going to uncheck this safe area layout, and so I am giving reference to image view and writing function to set image bg color. Now in the main view controller, I am going to add two views. So I am going to set constraint for it, leading, trailing, and top, and height to 100. Likewise, I am going to add another UIView and make it as height to 200, and add top constraint, leading and trailing. So then give reference to those two views. So I have created two views and reused that custom view, and changed background color for those views. Okay. Changing the class name and giving the reference custom, and giving the reference for second view. Now I am going to run the project. So you can see the color is changed for those two views. Thanks for watching the video.